Arkwright Makeup Removal Towel, pack of 6 soft cotton towel, black. Premium quality, made of 100% cotton makes the towel soft, plush and quick drying. The makeup towel gently cleans your face to remove all awkward makeup, dirt, oil, and grime effortlessly. The makeup remover cloth works better than a regular washcloth as it is made of many threads on a smaller surface area. Ideal usage, these makeup eraser cloths are ideal for removing facial makeup, eye makeup, glitter, lipstick and more. Do not ruin your white towels with makeup stains. Use our custom-made black towels that won't look shabby or dirty even after multiple uses. Perfect for Thanksgiving, holidays, housewarming and hostess gifts. Size, Arkwright's Makeup Remover Washcloths pack of 6 is black in color and has a perfect size of 13x13 in. With white printing, it is useful because it assists with friction. The fibers are able to grip onto the makeup and lift it from the skin. It is perfect for self-use or for gifting to your loved one. Multifunction, add a touch of elegance to any decor, home, hotel, spa, and our makeup towels can be used in guest room or guest house. You can use it in your master bedroom, guest room, hotel, Airbnb bed, and breakfast. Incredibly soft and real makeup removal towels will prove to be indispensable. Care instructions: machine wash the makeup remover towels on a gentle cycle as needed, free of dyes, fragrances, bleach and softeners. For daily washing, wash towels in regular mode. Wash towels in cold water, do not use bleach. To minimize lint, dry with dryer sheet. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.